Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101. This is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. Hey, we're on the 39th floor of the Peridot, and this is their game lounge. This is a really cool amenity. I love it. So you can see the games that are here, fun games, and really quite a few of them. So you've got a couch also too, just kind of watch some TV, but then you've got ping pong. You've got, oh gosh, this is really cool, air hockey, foosball, and then, this is just for some board games you could play like Jenga, Monopoly. You've got also a poker table set up here. That's a great poker table. And man, this is a fun amenity. It's really cool. It's on 39th floor. It's only for Peridot residents. So I love this amenity. Hey, let's go see some more amenities. This is just one of several. Let's go see this right now. If you have questions at any time about anything you're seeing, send me a text. Just use the number below.